How's it going, guys? TJ here. Yes, I did it, even though I said I wouldn't do it. I got HomePod and it came this morning, so I tried to do this video once and I had a little accident. Luckily, no damage. The camera just tipped over, but well, technically the iPhone tipped over, so I already had the plastic off of it. But other than that, this is my first time unboxing this. I hadn't even taken the lid off yet, so let's do it. And like I said to a friend earlier today, this is like the most classic Apple packaging ever. It just, I mean, it never ceases to amaze me how Apple just, no matter what the product is, the presentation is always just so nice and just makes you feel like you're getting your money's worth. So let's go ahead and take the top off. Take this top off, baby. Here we go. And there she is in all her beauty. She is looking good. And I'll tell you, upon first impression, this thing really has a nice weight to it. It feels solid. And of course, there's a piece of plastic covering the touch surface, which will just peel off. Such a satisfying feeling to do this. A little bit tight. There we go. Whoops. And it'll lift her out. Now, it's kind of difficult because it's the power cable is attached to it, and the way they did it is that it's just kind of bundled underneath it, so be careful when you're taking that out. Put that to the side for 1 second. I know you want to get to the HomePod itself, but let's go ahead and look at the documentation. So we have, designed by Apple in California, as usual. And we have some cool stuff here. Not cool stuff, but just the usual documentation, get started guide, yada yada. I think you guys know that. Oh, and of course, it wouldn't be an Apple product without the Apple stickers. I'm glad they threw that in and didn't cut that out. And this is the get started guide. There's really not that much to it. Just kind of gives you some basic Siri commands, things like that. But we'll put that to the side. So, of course, the highlight of the unboxing is the beautiful girl herself, HomePod. Man, it is just nice. Now, this comes in 2 colors, light and space gray. And I think no matter what color you go with, it's just going to blend in so nicely with your home decor. It really, I mean, I have to say, this is, it's another reason why I didn't initially think I was going to buy one of these. Because for one, I'm not an audiophile, but as I thought about it more, I realized you really don't have to be an audiophile to appreciate really nice quality sound. And, I mean, there's other reasons why, but I'll talk about that in a review video. But I have to say, this thing is so gorgeous. I mean, it looks, and it's heavy. I mean, this thing is unbelievably heavy. It doesn't seem that heavy when you see it in the box, but once you lift it, it really is a very solid premium feel to it. And I think they just did an incredible job of the design in general. The touch surface up here just adds like that, that really cool, sleek, aesthetic to it. And it's just super nice. I mean, if you saw my last video about the HomePod, you would just be so shocked that I'm saying this. But really, it's one of those things that you can't knock it until you actually have it in your home. And at least have it in your hands. And, again, it's not something you really use with your hands, but I'm saying, you have to actually get it home first to really appreciate the quality of it. No pun intended with HomePod, but, you have to get it home. You do. And once you do get it in your home, I think, again, I haven't even set it up yet, so I shouldn't say all that right now. But I mean, just upon first impression, I am so impressed with how it looks. But with that being said, I am going to end this video here for now. Actually, I'm not, because I'm going to do a setup segment for you too. So I'll show you how to set it up. It's really not that difficult though. But yeah, this thing is so sexy looking, guys, and I think that if you choose to get one, you will not be disappointed. Just in the sense that, I mean, if you're concerned about, like, you don't want things to be, if you're one of those, like, interior designer kind of people, like, you have your home decor a certain way, it's definitely going to go with it very well. It's not like an overly techie kind of thing, so that's really cool too. So I will see you guys in the next portion of this video where I set up the HomePod. Okay, so I have plugged the HomePod in, and now you just open up your iPhone, and it should pop up. Look at that, it pops right up, and you just tap set up. And they're going to say this HomePod is going to be in the living room. Continue. Let me actually, I was going to turn down my brightness right. So it's just saying terms and conditions. It also asked me, to turn on personal requests, such as reading your text messages and stuff. Now, obviously that can be different depending on if you live with somebody, if you live alone or whatever. I happen to live alone, so I don't care if it reads in my messages and stuff. You can transfer settings from your Apple ID, and now it's just setting up. It doesn't take too awfully long. And I'm not going to edit this video, so you can actually see how long it takes. Not long.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod.
Okay.
You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Hey
Let's
Siri.
try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. What can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri. Play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Dr. Hook. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
Of course it would play the song. You guys probably don't know this, but I am a huge fan of yacht rock. Wow, it sounds incredible. Hey Siri, turn this up.
I'm feeling kind of lonely too, if you don't mind. Can I sit
Really
down
nice sound
here
quality.
beside you? Oh yeah, alright.
Hey Siri, what's the weather like tomorrow?
The forecast is calling for sleet in Glens Falls tomorrow. The high will be 35 degrees, and the low will be 26.
Yeah,
Hey Siri,
mine.
play Lionel Richie.
Okay, here's some Lionel Richie, picked just for you.
So you can see it, she really just, it's almost instantaneous. There's like hardly any processing time between the time that you say the command and she plays the music. It's
I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain.
okay.
And I'm leaving
Siri?
you tomorrow.
Turn this down.
Seems to me, girl,
Hey, Siri?
you know I don't know.
Stop. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds and counting.
Hey Siri, stop. Okay. Okay, guys, so that gives you a little look into what this HomePod can do, and this is just a very brief taste of all the things this thing can do. And I have to say, upon first impression, this thing is really nice sounding. I mean, as you would expect, it's a very premium wireless speaker, and I am just already blown away. And I haven't even I haven't begun to use it to its fullest potential yet. That I will be doing so in the next couple of days. And I'll be doing a full review video for you guys very soon. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and peace out for now. If you enjoyed my content, please hit that subscribe button below.